Hi guys, so this is my first video I'm filming with my kittens. If you're not following me on Instagram, I got kittens. I'll put in some pictures here, and they're a little nuts. They have not ever dealt with the lighting or the camera or the tripod or anything. It's been a while since I've had a kitten. If you guys don't follow me, this is a little update. Both of my cats that I've had for over 10 years passed in the last 2-3 months. And these kittens kind of fell in my lap. I took in 2 little boy kittens that are twins. But this video is an elf video. If you guys don't know, recently Wet n Wild lied about being cruelty-free. I've done a lot of videos like raving about them, how affordable they are. Elf is a brand that is cruelty-free. Ah, baby, don't play with that. This is gonna be a nightmare. Anyway, so I placed an elf order. I got all this stuff for $30, which I thought was really good. Like lots of stuff. Pretty much I wanted to replace the stuff I really like from Wet n Wild. What we're gonna do is a haul / first impressions and just see how it goes. I have no makeup on right now. I am breaking out massively. I think it's because the kittens, I don't sleep properly and I think it's stress and stuff. So that's fun. We're gonna get into it. So I have lots and lots of stuff. Here's the box. Kittens already had a little fun playing in it. The first thing I guess we're going to talk about is the sponge. I wanted to try the Total Face sponge. Use wet or dry. Who uses a sponge dry? Only crazy people. Sorry the camera's moving, but he just likes the tripod. So it's this sponge. I don't remember hearing anything about this. I feel like maybe some people like it, some people don't, but I just thought I would try it out. Shake it, get it out. Oh wow, it's pretty soft. It's actually really surprisingly soft. Like that is squishy. But it is, I want to say when you look at it, like, I'm wondering if you guys could see it from here, it is porous. Like when you look at the Beauty Blender, you see it's just smooth almost. This has like you can see the particles, I don't know. To wet it, I'm going to use this. This is a Glow Dewy Mist. It looks like milk, like it doesn't look clear. Super cool. This is the only spray I really was interested in. This is the Glow Dewy Mist with coconut and argan oil. I'm not a big fan of coconut oil, but we're going to try it out anyway. I just thought that was super cute. Ooh, oh my god, that smells so good. If I don't like this, bring this to the beach with me and like spray it on when you're hot. Ooh, that smells so good, like coconut. If you don't like coconut, don't get this. But even the packaging is just so cute. So now let's wet the sponge. My cats are like, what are you doing? They don't like sprays because I spray stuff to make sure they don't scratch at it. Now I did not get a foundation just because none really spoke to me. But I did get concealer, and no, it is not the one that everyone is raving about, which one? The camouflage one? Because that just sounded way too full coverage for me, and that's not really my style. I got the Flawless Concealer because this one talked a lot about hydration. Whoa, guys, you're gonna knock the camera down. So I got this one, it had a lot more hydration kind of ingredients in it. This is the shade Light Stay. Also, sorry I was sick, if you could hear like the Lucas. Hi, baby. You want to be on camera? This is Binks. Oh. he's in a mood. It's kind of hard to pick out your shade online, and this sponge just absorbed all of that. I would have gotten this sponge wet under the tap, but I'm lazy and didn't feel like going downstairs. It's a flat. That's a weird. I've never seen a concealer with an applicator like that. It's a bendy wand too. Like, look at this. That's super weird. Darker than it looks. It's definitely darker. And it's not picking up all that much product. This is super weird. It's definitely hydrating. I think I'm gonna have to go straight in with the doe foot, which I don't like doing. But there's just like this brush, this doe foot thingy doesn't pick up enough product. It's definitely a lot more hydrating than I was expecting it to be. I have very dry skin. Actually, you know, I have more combination skin, but when it comes to makeup, I have dry skin. It just seems like makeup always clings to my skin, so I prefer something that's more moisturizing. So it doesn't have that much coverage, to be honest. And I think it evened out a little. You can still see this massive one here, but I don't know. It's not terrible. And it's definitely not clinging, which is nice. Oh, you know what? I didn't get a brow product. So we'll just use a matte brown and eyeshadow palette. God, how about that? I did even get a mascara, so that's exciting. Oh, I got the solid sponge cleaner, which I won't be using today, but I thought, what the hey? Okay, I got 2 Stop it! I got 2 eyeshadow bases. Why don't we do that? So I have both of these. I got the Beautifully Beautifully Bare Smooth Matte Eyeshadow in Nude Linen, and the No Budge Shadow Stick in Rose Gold. Now, I love a shadow stick. I like a matte one, and this is shiny. So why don't we try the matte one first? We'll do a little bit on the lid, and then we'll go in with that one on top. It's a fancy, cute little packaging, to be honest, though. It's a little darker. Yeah, all this stuff looks darker when you put it on than in the tube. That kind of just blended into nothing. It feels very, very slippery. It's not something that's going to prevent creasing. I can already feel it. So let's try the stick. It looks way pinker than I thought. It's very pink. So we're just going to do that in the inner corner. And it glides on super smooth. That's not bad at all, actually. I like that. Now we're going to take, I got this thing because I needed to spend a certain amount. This is the Best Friend Eyeshadow Duo in Pink Pal. There's like a shimmery pink in here. Maybe I'll top this color with that. And then a matte brown, like a taupe color. I'm going to use that in my brows. So I got an e.l.f. brush. This is so tiny and cheap. I mean, this is really cheap. This is reminding me back of like the e.l.f. $1 days. Try this out. This color, I can tell you right now, is going to be a little light. It's also a little warmer. Now the other eyeshadow I got is, the other palette is matte. So I am going to take this pink shimmery shade on my finger, which is very dry and dusty and not that shimmery. And just tap it over this, which literally took the shine away from that shadow stick, which is interesting. Well, that's one way to do things. I had the Mad for Matte palette, I think that's what it was called, and I didn't like it. Everyone was like, oh, it's so good. I felt like all the colors kind of just blended together. I tried it like 2 years ago in an e.l.f. haul. But this is the Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette in Summer Breeze, and the colors just look so much more fun. I do, so far, really like that concealer, actually. Like, I don't love it, but I like it. Okay, now I did get a brush, a fluffy eye blender brush. This is one of the $3 brushes, I think. Maybe it's $2. It's very soft, very big. I think I'm just gonna pop like 1 or 2 colors in the crease and call it a day. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Look at how pretty those colors are. Oh. Okay, so we have some more neutral tones, light browns, more warm like rose gold tones, and these purples and blues, which I will not use, but they're gorgeous. This color, it's almost like a purpley mauve. Not too dusty, but a lot comes off when you tap it. Oh wow, that's actually showing up. Fun, my dad's mowing the lawn. The brush is super soft. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna have fun playing with this. I'm excited. Sorry, I just blinded you. I actually am gonna take my sweater off because, like I said, I'm really, really warm. Let's do blush. I think I got a shade that's way too dark for me, but it looks so pretty online. It's the Primer-Infused Blush in Always Spicy. It's super dark. Oh my god. Whatever. Oh, that's pigmented. Ah, I think I overdid it. Holy shit. It's coming up so intense. Maybe I should just make it look like I got sunburn. I was excited about this. I've been allergic to e.l.f. lip products for a very long time. Most e.l.f. lip products used to have beeswax in them. Now, because e.l.f. I believe is completely vegan, maybe not, I think they might be. This does not have any beeswax. It is the Tinted Lip Oil and Mocha Kiss, and I thought that sounds delicious. It's a pretty shade. It's actually almost identical to the blush, so cool. Now we'll look super crazy. There's lots of product on there. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, it feels so good. That feels amazing, and I like that it's not intense. It's like super sheer. It feels so good. It looks amazing. It like literally smooths out your lips, makes them not look like lines or anything. I really like that a lot. Okay, exciting. Mascara. This is what I am the most worried about. You guys know I'm super, 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 super picky when it comes to mascara because my lashes suck. I know everyone says e.l.f. mascaras are not good, so I'm nervous, but I did get a lash curler too, just to amp it up, and I got a couple extra thingies. This is the Pro Lash Curler. I used to have their old cheap dollar one, but I thought, let's try the more expensive one. It's looking nice. It's like a steel color, like a black. Like, look at that. Ooh. The mascara I got, though, is called Keep Your Curl, because I'm all about the curl. I liked the brush. It looks like the big curl brush from CoverGirl. It's curling and conditioning mascara. It is not waterproof, so we all know it's not going to work for me. But we're going to try it anyway. Ooh. What? Jeez, e.l.f. This is looking like a MAC mascara. Look at that. It says e.l.f. Keep Your Curl. It's like a shiny plastic. What, you know, e.l.f., you've amped up your game Oh my god, I love it. Look at it. It's so tiny and it has little plastic bristles. Oh, I love it. It doesn't have a lot of product on it either. Oh my god, I might actually like it. It probably won't, but still, it's exciting. The pad on it is a little harder than I'm used to. I usually prefer a pad that's like soft, you know? There's no clumping, but the curl fell. Okay, so that mascara is going to be a no from me. It's not terrible. Like, I've tried worse that like clump and drop the curl, but it just dropped the curl immediately. Like, so fast I didn't get to finish putting a full coat on my eyes. And my light just died. So, that's that. I don't think everything looks terrible. I think my skin looks really bad, but that's just my skin. The sponge, I'll add this to my sponge collection because it's soft and squishy and I like the color, it's cool, I think that's fine. This, I'm not sure about just yet, but I like it so far. I like the packaging. It doesn't feel like it's bothering me. This little duo, just, it is what it is. Okay, the brush, really like it. It's the Fluffy Eye Blender brush. I like that brush a lot. I'll totally keep using that. Matte for Matte Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Summer Breeze. Totally am happy with this so far. They're just really pretty and I'm very excited to keep using that actually. The No Budge Eyeshadow Stick. That I actually kind of like, so I'll keep trying that out. There is. The No Budge Eyeshadow Stick has a sharpener at the end of it, FYI. The e.l.f., what is this called? The Nude Linen Eyeshadow Matte thing. It's not, I don't know, it's like too oily or something. The concealer, I like it. I think it matched me better than I thought it would. It's a little yellow toned. I do like the texture of it. I like that it didn't cling at all to dryness. It definitely lives up to the claims of hydration, but there's just like not a lot of product in here. Like, I feel like I was scraping the outside of the tube to get all the product out, and like you shouldn't have to do that when it's brand new, you know? So there's pluses and minuses. This blush is obviously insanely insane. You can probably use it as an eyeshadow. This Primer-Infused Blush and Always Spicy, totally like that. That's getting a 5 out of 5 from me. The mascara is a no from me. And then this lip product, but actually my favorite. It feels amazingly cushiony soft, but it also feels so lightweight, like you don't even really realize you have it on. So I really like that. Love the color. This is definitely, if you haven't tried this and you like lip oil type products, try this. It is called Mocha Kiss in the Tinted Lip Oil. I would try other shades of this if they have any that I like. This actually wasn't a total fail, but look at this. Look at this garbage that I ended up with. Look at that. So that is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then I don't know why you made it this far. Subscribe to see more from me, and I'll see you next time. Bye. This is little Bert. Say hi, Bert. Or don't.